relationship with a nice person is like a sugar cane. You break it, crush it, squeeze it, even beat or grind it. Still, you will get only sweetness. Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. Some people are hurt by words, some by actions, and some by silence. But the biggest hurt is that someone ignoring us when we value them a lot. If you know how quickly people forget the dead, you will stop living to impress people. Waiting is a sign of love and patience. Anyone can say, "I love you," but not everyone can wait and prove it's true. When you make others laugh, you appear more attractive to them. You usually argue with those you care about. People avoid fights completely when they're no longer interested emotionally. Breakups hurt, but losing someone who doesn't respect and appreciate you is actually a gain, not a loss. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Having someone ask you, "Are you okay?" actually causes you to tear up more when you are trying not to cry. Never hurt a heart that loves you, because the same heart might never learn to love you again. Psychologically, one of the most painful goodbyes are when you know that the next time you meet, the hello won't be the same. Fake friends are no different than shadows. They stick around during your brightest moments, but disappear during your darkest hours. If you don't care about what people think, you already passed the first step of success. Behavior is always greater than knowledge, because in life there are many situations where knowledge fails, but behavior can still handle. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have 1,000,000 reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. The best response to being ignored is to focus on your own growth and happiness. Cuddling literally kills depression, relieves anxiety, and strengthens the immune system. When a woman wants to end her love for you and leave you, she will first do these two things. First, she will change her tone, and then she will stop giving time. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.